Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from Fragrant Jewels, and this is their chocolate covered strawberry bath bomb. It's really cute. They even put the little dimples on the sides for the seeds, green leaf on top, and the chocolate design. Really cute. And I did get this in a set of 3. It's one of the new sets released for Mother's Day. And it also came in a pretty pink gift box, perfect for gifting. And I thought that was a really nice idea. But this was a really foamy bath bomb. You'll see as the video goes on. It filled up my tub with tons of foam, which I did really enjoy. And like most bath bombs that are this color, the reds, blues, and purples, it did stain my fingers just a little bit from touching it in the water. It does wash away with some soap, and I didn't get any staining on the rest of my skin or in my tub, which was good. And there are also 10 different rings that you can collect from this, all clear, more engagement style settings. I was disappointed though with the smell. I was expecting it to smell more like strawberry or chocolate, but I got a more floral scent from it. I believe there's some hyacinth and some other fragrant notes in there, fruity like melon and cool water and greenery. So I was hoping it would smell more like strawberry or chocolate, which it didn't. But I still did enjoy this. Super foamy. Look at all that foam. And you do see the red staining on my hands. But once it's finished, it'll just stay floating at the top. And inside, you'll get your code, which will give you the appraisal value of your ring, as well as reward points. And this did appraise for $25, and I did get 25 reward points for it. But it's super cute, super sparkly. I love pears. And I did get one like this from the Leave a Little Sparkle set. This one, however, is bigger and has a different band design, but it's really pretty. And since the other 2 bath bombs are the same, I do have the other 2 rings that I will show you, just so you can see what the other ones that I got look like. And there are the other 2. So if you'd like to see more ring reveals, I do have more on my channel that you can check out, and I have many more to come. So stay tuned, and thanks again for watching.